Hello, everybody. NML, no make, no life. Have you ever heard of such a thing? Well, this is my sixth box, I believe. So I've had it for a full 6 months, and am I going to keep it? Well, stay tuned and you'll find out. But today we're going to look at the June box. And it just arrived like a few days ago, and that's typical. When you subscribe to them, they do their box subscriptions on the 15th. So this box will not be available because they ship their boxes on the 15th, and I think that is their cutoff. So June 15th, this was for the June box. We're going to see what the June box is, and when they ship it on the 15th, I usually get it between the 20th and the 25th. So we have it, and we're going to go through it. Now, the cost of this is like $35 a month, but when you do the shipping part of it, it's like $14. And if they charge you tax, then you've got that added on top. So this box normally costs me on average $49.50 a month. And because of that, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this subscription up because it is a little pricey, and mostly because of the shipping. But it comes all the way from Tokyo, Japan. So I mean, in that retrospect, that's not bad. But anyways, we're going to get our little card out. It's the Tropical Summer Glow, no make, no life. And I don't know how they came up with that name, but this is the inside here that's going to show us a little bit about what's going on. I think this here might be a photo of sort of what's in this packet. So anyways, that's a typical little flyer, and if you're interested, you can scan the code. I don't really have any codes for this, so you might be able to save a few dollars with that. And it's a Hello Lovelies. Welcome to the Tropical Summer Glow. It's a dreamy curation inspired by radiant sun-kissed skin and effortless beauty. So we're going to have several items in here. It says think lightweight and hydration. We want the glow coming on, the glow that gives you that natural radiance. And alongside all the nourishing skincare, we're going to have some beauty must-haves in here. So we're going to have a little bit of everything, and it is showing us here the Ultimate Tropical Glow. And then we have our lineup page, and this is what's going to be all in my box. And sometimes you'll get a bonus and sometimes you won't. So I'm going to go and start, and we'll just look. I don't know prices. I just know the box costs me $49.50 by the time it gets here. And the first item I'm seeing is a fruity Chardonnay lip balm. Okay, it's in this little packet. And this is supposed to be a mixture of Korean and Japanese, but what I've noticed lately is that it's mostly Japanese and it doesn't have much Korean. And then all of this is in Japanese, but this particular product was actually made in China. So I guess China's making it for the Japanese. I don't know. See, that's kind of interesting, isn't it? They always have it in here really good. So let's take a little, see if we can get it out. It's the lip balm, and it does have some of that glue stuff right on the front, and that is a problem. But I want to see, okay, it's totally sealed. So I'm not going to open it up because I may gift this. It says treat your lips to a burst of juicy hydration with this fruity lip balm infused with nourishing plant oils to help soften and smooth your dry lips, while a rich, moisture-looking base seals in hydration for a plump, comfortable feel, finished with a refreshing Chardonnay-inspired scent. It delivers a light, crisp, and subtly sweet aroma with every swipe, is what it says. And it is cute, but I just have to tell you, their packaging is really cute. But again, I don't like that glue thing is right there. And everything shrink wrapped tightly down. And I did tell you that it was made in China. It's got Japanese packaging, so they're just having it made over in China, I guess. It says designed by GPP in Tokyo. So they designed it in Tokyo, but they had it made in China. So that's the first item I have. The next item is a tropical pineapple foaming bath powder. And that is right here. Doesn't that sound wonderful? And oh, did I tell you there's going to be a giveaway with this? Yes, I'm going to have a no make, no life box for one of you. And you can try out some of these Japanese, Korean, Chinese products. Okay, guys, this here's a tropical pineapple foaming bath powder. Turn your bath into a fluffy escape with this foaming bath powder. It's going to create some soft cloud-like bubbles, and it's infused with pineapple, fruit extract, honey, and jojoba seed oil. So it helps your skin feel smooth and hydrated and locks in moisture, and the pineapple sweet scent adds a bright, uplifting touch to your bath time routine. Now let's see if this is made in China. Nope, this is made in Japan. So it is a Japanese, and like I said, it does come from Tokyo, so that sounds very interesting. We have a fruit face mask, and it looks like we got the kiwi. It looks like we could have had a choice of the orange or the kiwi, and this is add a playful touch to your skincare routine with this cute fruit-inspired sheet mask designed to hydrate and refresh your skin. It's a delicious boost of moisture, perfect for relaxing at home and sharing with friends. And of course for us, it's perfect for Mass Monday. And that's where I'll be trying this out. I have been enjoying all their masks. So, and I don't know if we'll be able to read where this is made at based on with it being clear. But I'm going to assume it's Japan. And it's all in another language, so I don't know. But anyways, it's definitely a kiwi mask, and it's a fruit mask, so that'll be good. And then I have a Okachi mouthwash peach, and that's in this little packet. And there's 5 of them, so I'm thinking it's a mouthwash. It says, keep your brush fresh anytime with this convenient peach flavored mouthwash designed to help remove dirt and plaque. It works by lifting and binding protein buildup that can cause bad breath, even in areas brushings may miss. This alcohol formula is gentle yet refreshing. It's a single-use pack, and it makes it easy to use on the go to clean your teeth or your breath. You can just throw one of those in your bag. And I don't know that I've ever seen that in a beauty box before. So that is kind of fun, and it looks like it's made in Japan. So another made in Japan product, and it's a peachy flavor. Next, we have a 3-in-1 gel eyebrow pencil, and that is right here. And I'm assuming this is going to be in brown. Yes, it's going to be in brown. And let's see what it says. I don't know if I'm holding it upside down or not. I don't know which way it goes. I can't tell. Well, anyways, it says, define and shape your brows with this versatile 3-in-1 gel eyebrow pencil featuring a triangular tip, built-in powder sponge, and a blending brush. The unique tips allows you to create both fine hair-like strokes and fuller lines with the power sponge. Softly fills the natural look of your eyebrows. So it sounds like it had a lot going on there. So I bet you can take this brush part off at the top, and then you can kind of see that angled eyebrow brown color pencil there. I bet that's pretty good pencil. And let's see, I think it's made in Japan. No, this is made in China. So another product that has Japanese packaging, but it's actually made in China. So very interesting. Okay, my next thing is another mask. It says Pure Essence Lemon Sheet Mask. And that's right here. And of course, I'm going to love that. That there's going to brighten up your skin. I know what lemon can do. It says refresh and hydrate your skin with this soft, skin-hugging sheet infused with pure essence and natural ingredients. And it delivers gentle daily care while helping to leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes so it can be fully absorbed, while the light citrus scent adds a subtle, refreshing touch for a relaxing skincare moment. So again, it's a facial sheet, and I think that's the brand over there, Hukahala or something like that, Huahala. And this here is made in Korea, so we have a Korean mask this time. So the other one was made in China, I think it said, or made in Japan. Or we couldn't tell. According to all that, it looks like it's made in Japan. Okay, number 7, we have a Millie eyeshadow, or a Miley eyeshadow palette. And that is right here, and it looks like we could have had one of 4 choices. And it looks like I got a real neutral one, which is nice, but I'll show you the colors there. I would have probably liked that one with that bright pop of pink in it the best, but that's okay because this has some nice shimmers in it. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Oh, the packing's so hard to get out. They want it to be secure, that's for sure. And we're going to open this up so we can get a better look at this. But this is definitely neutrals, mostly browns and tans. I thought it was going to be pinkish, but I think it's more like champagne colors. So that'll make a beautiful look. And I'm going to assume that's made in Japan. Miley Colors, it says, 6 colors. So it's very nice. I like it. It's a nice little heavy compact. I mean, even though it's made out of plastic, it's made really well. So it should be durable. All right. Let's see what else we have here. The next item is an eyelash comb. And that is right here. And it says keep your lashes looking clean and defined with this foldable eyelash comb, designed to separate and remove clumps after mascara is applied. It helps create a smooth, natural finish while enhancing the lash definition. The compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry and for perfect, quick touch-ups anytime. So that's interesting. Oh yeah, I can see that it, you can bend it to fold it. I'm going to keep it intact for now. But that's very interesting. So have you ever seen any of that? There is one thing I've noticed, that there's different tools that you get from the Japanese and the Korean beauty, which is kind of interesting because me personally, I've never seen anything like this. Now it does look like it has an eyebrow brush, or at least that's what I would think, but it may be just a better brush to work with on your eyelashes after you do your eyelashes with your regular brush. So I don't know, it'll be interesting to try that out. So that's my box, and maybe my last box. So you guys let me know. I will say I have loved using all the different masks, and I will definitely like that. I have liked the lip products. I don't take baths, so I won't use the bubble bath. And I'm going to try out this mouthwash. That sounds interesting. And that little palette is really, even though it is all nude, it's a really cute palette, and those are great colors, and I can get a good look out of that. Oh, and maybe not so dark like I have on today. That was not my intention. It just turned out that way. I was using some eye pencils, and I picked up a Real Her, and it was a brown, but I didn't realize it was this brown. So it's really dark across above my eyes. I feel like a raccoon today. But anyways, that's just happens. Some days are like that. But now for this little giveaway that I'm going to have, because this could be my last box. And I'm not sure yet, because it's like $150 for 3 months. And it just seems like a lot. So I've got a little no make, no life box here that is put together for one of you. This will be good for 2 weeks. It'll close on July 5th, and I will pick a winner and announce it the next day on July 6th, Mass Monday. So keep that in mind. It's just going to be a nice little giveaway. And there's one product in here that didn't come in here, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in this giveaway. It's going to be this hand cream with the little kitty on there. Isn't that so cute? And you're going to have a Sika mask. This is a capsule mask. You're going to get some Palmilli milk. And I believe this is a facial moisturizer. But there's like 3 or 4 little packs inside there. You're going to get this little blush. It's called a Pan Cheek, and it's in a peachy color, and you can kind of see that color. It's all shrink wrap, so I'm not going to unshrink wrap it. And you're going to get an eye mask, which looks like this, and this is a Japanese eye mask. You're going to get a squalene eye mask, and this is a real nice soft one that you put over your eyes and just relax with that soft, I guess I don't want to say fur, but that soft terry feeling on your eyes, and it's got squalene in it, so that ought to be really cool. And then I also have a bath soak, which I don't know the name of it, but I think it's in the cherry. I think it was when I got the cherry box in April. And then I'm going to put in the pineapple bubble bath. I'm going to add that in there. And I'm going to add that lip balm that was over here. I'm going to add the lip balm. So you can try all that out. And I also have a mirror in here. And it is a Charlotte Star mirror. And it's a compact. I have this already. So when I got an extra one, I thought I would just pass it along. It's got the dual side, and it's a really nice little mirror. And works great carrying in your purse. So you're going to get that. And like I said, it's going to run until July 5th. I'll announce on July 6th. And the code word you need to use is glow. I'm going to help you glow with some Japanese and Korean, and I'll probably throw in some facial masks, but there'll be some of the ones that I have here. So that's going to be my little giveaway. It's kind of a sneaky peeky, and if you're here, then you'll get opportunity to be in there and have a little glow coming your way. So let me know what you thought about this month's No Make, No Life, and what do you think if I decide not to do this box on a regular basis? Because like I said, it is kind of expensive with the shipping. I wish it didn't cost so much to ship, but it does. So guys, thank you for being with me. I hope you were with me all the way. If you are, please give me a like. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And as for today and this No Make, No Life, that's about all I have. But I do need to tell you that YouTube or No Make, No Life is not affiliated with this giveaway. You do need to be publicly subscribed to me, Miss Jackie Russell, and you will need to use that code word I mentioned, and you do need to be 18 years or older and have an address in the continental USA. And I think those are the basic rules. I will send it out USPS. And when I announce, you'll have 48 hours to get back with me. But with that said, now that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.